Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray Triglycerides kit for GPO pot method. TG. The top we can see the brand name Mindray. This is a product name Triglycerides kit GPO PD method TG. This is the overall top view of this angle of this kit. I am going to see the front view. In the front view we can see the product name Triglycerides kit GPO pot method TG. In the bottom we can see the reference number TZ0102. This kit contains one reagent 4 into 40 ml. Here you can see the lot number, then expiry date of this kit. This kit contains one instruction manual. This is C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. Here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is overall front view of this kit. I am going to see the other angles. In this angle we can see the blank space. On the back top we can see for in vitro diagnostic use only. On this side bottom we can see the brand name, then manufacturing details. The brand name Mindray. This is the overall representation of this kit. I am going for summary. Today we can see the Mindray Triglycerides kit for GPO pot method. This kit contains one reagent 4 into 40 ml. Thank you.